video, we'll talk about how we can round a number to 3 decimal places using Math.Round. So what I've currently got is a value, is a double value stored in a double variable called value, and we are just displaying that to screen. So let's see how this shows up when we run the program. It basically prints the value as it is, but we want to round this number to the nearest, to 3 decimal places. If you want this to round, we're using Math.Round. So let's copy these 2 lines again and paste. So we want to create another variable called truncated value, because the round method will actually return a number that is rounded to the nearest whole number. So that returned value we want to capture in a variable, and we want to display that. Probably change our message, truncated value. And so this is what's gonna be different. We are going to use Math.Round to round up our number. If you supply a second argument, you can decide what number of decimal places you'd like this value to be rounded to. So let's say 3, and let's see how this works. So now our number is rounded and displayed to 3 decimal places. Now the last value is 6, so that's more than 5, so this rounds up the last value, or the 3rd decimal place will round up to 6. But if this value was actually lower than 5, let's say 4, then it will still be 995. So the rounding is happening when we are using Math.Round. You can also change the second argument to change the precision. So let's just say that I have 9254, and I want to display that number to 2 decimal places. So that's only going to be 93, because the previous value was 5, so that rounds up to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. So one other thing that I wanted to mention is if we said 1, that's gonna round up that value. So let's see how that goes. Right, no, it didn't. Okay, so, 1 decimal place. If that value was bigger than 5, let's say, so that's gonna be, so what that does is, because this is 5, that's gonna round up to 10, which goes to this value and increases that by 1. So 9976. And if you don't provide any argument at all, by default, that's going to be 1 decimal place. So just wanted to mention that. So if, again, just specify the second argument here to play around with the number of decimal places that you'd like to display, and it's simple. It's that simple. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.